Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the touchscreen not responding on your TCL 605. So first, remove any screen protector or case causing interference. Basically, whenever you have a poorly applied screen protector, then it can cause a lot of issues, including the touchscreen not responding. So your screen can become less responsive. As you guys can see, I've got it placed perfectly, and after I remove the case, you will see that it's only missing here, but that's how it's supposed to be, and that's how I know that this works. So I know that this is not an issue, it's not misaligned, it's aligned perfectly to the sides. And if you're not using an original case, then you might have issues with those little sides right here. They can cover your screen and they can make your phone become less responsive. So what you guys can do next is you guys can restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now click restart. And now our phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now after restarting your phone, if there are still some issues, what you guys can do is update your software to basically prevent any glitches. So for example, the touchscreen less responsive, go over the settings, and here we need to scroll down all the way until we see the system. And now click the first things that are up top here. And as you guys can see, it will check automatically if you have the latest update. I do, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. You can fix a lot of glitches, including the touchscreen, the entire screen, the volume problems, the speaker problems, microphone problems, and etc. So now if that didn't work too, then as a last resort, you guys can basically first back up your phone, then go to reset options, and click erase all data as a factory reset. You will lose everything, that's why you make a backup, and then you should check if it's any more responsive. If not, then it might be the hardware issue and you should get it checked out by a professional. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.